Hello, good morning everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
How was the exam of practical? Practical exam कशी गेली तुमची?
Easy होती ma'am.
Now, as you are going to come in your next semester, that is second semester, right? So, firstly, we will discuss some of the basic points that the paper which I am going to teach. Okay, I am going to teach you the name of a paper is General Topology. The name of paper is we call it as GT. Now let me show you the syllabus for this firstly so that you will be able to understand what is the syllabus for topology, and we'll after that we'll go for some of the basic points. Is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So firstly we'll go for the syllabus of general topology. Right here you can see what is a pattern. MSc in Mathematics, it is 2-year course, and here we have semester 2. What is there in the semester 2? So we have theory papers are 5 and each of 100 marks, and the credits are 20. Practical papers mean there will be 2 practicals, and the next one is a seminar or tutorial, as we are going to take a seminar itself. Okay, so let us go for the second semester. Here you can see the second semester. Is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what we can see here is first one is HCT 2.1. What do you mean by 2.1? 2 is a for semester 2.1 means semester 2 first paper, right? HCT 2.1 means hardcore theory. H means hard, C means core, T means theory. HCT 2.1 hardcore theory in the semester 2 paper first, that is algebra 2, in which theory will be consisting of 80 marks and internal evaluation will be 20 marks. And next is real analysis 2. That means you are going to see the extension of a real analysis that you have seen in the first semester. What you have seen in the first semester, you have seen the Riemann integration. Okay, in this second paper, you will see Lebesgue integration. XCT 2.3 means hardcore theory, second semester, third paper, that is general topology, which is consisting of 80 plus 20, that is 80 marks for theory, university exam, and internal for the 20 marks. Okay, now we have the soft core paper. Soft core means what? You can select the paper, but as the faculties are very less in number, only one faculty which is permanent, that is Thenge madam. So here you are not having any option. You have to select soft core theory 2.1, that is complex analysis, and the next one is open elective paper. This is not for you people. It is for the mathematics, means we are going to provide this one. So हम लोग ये fundamental in mathematics of SWAYAM courses we are going to teach to other students. Okay, I hope you come to across that in the second semester and in the third semester you are going to select some paper from your school itself. You can select the paper from MCA, or you can select the paper from MSc Computer Science or Statistics. Okay, getting me? What do you mean by open elective paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after some time you will be provided with the one Google form in which you have to fill up that which OET paper you are going to select. This OET paper may be from the MCA or MSc Computer Science, or it is from STAT. Those who want to select the paper, you can go to university website in which you can go to the semester second of the MCA, MSc first year second sem, and MSc Statistics second sem. So go to their syllabus and select the OET paper. आप check करो आपको जो भी syllabus available है वो syllabus अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है जो कोई भी paper का, तो you can select and you can fill up that form. Okay, in the form they will only provide the name of the paper. Okay, syllabus will not be there, so you have to go to university website where you can see the syllabus of OET paper, which will be taught by the corresponding faculty. We are not going to teach that paper. That paper, if you are going to select the paper of STAT, that will be provided by STAT faculty. And if you select the paper of MCA, that paper will be taught by MCA teacher. Okay. So go to university website, check all the syllabus. You can, जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने दिखाया, so first you go to syllabus of first year, then you can go for the semester 2, in which you can come to this open elective paper. Then you can select any one of the paper by seeing the syllabus. Syllabus will be available on the next pages. Now here we'll go for the first one, practical, hardcore and softcore. Okay, so combinedly practical will be combine of this HCT and SCT, not the OET. OET के लिए आपको completely अलग practical होगा. Okay, getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for practical hardcore and softcore, we have a practical 3, that is latex beamer, that I have showed you in short, but the beamer is very vast concept that we will see in this semester. And the next one is practical open elective. Open elective में जो आपने पेपर सिलेक्ट किया उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको उसका OET देना पड़ेगा. Okay. So total 625 marks will be there again once again. So now the evaluation is also given. You have to read all these conditions. Now let us go for the syllabus. So you can see the syllabus of Algebra 2, paper coded SCT 2.1, and there are 4 units. Next is a real analysis 2, which is extension of the Riemann integration, and in the general topology, this is what HCT 2.3, right? In this we are having the 4 units. It seems to be very less in syllabus, but it is very vast. Okay, and we have to cover it in only 2 months. Okay, this syllabus is very vast. It seems to be very compact, but actually this third unit, T not T1, T2, T3, T4, this complete say third unit, if you are going to write on your notebook, it may take a whole notebook. Okay, and here is a continuous function, homomorphism, complex space. These are easy, and these are also easy. Only the third unit is big one, and the starting one, that is basic definitions. If your basic definitions from the real analysis are clear, it is okay. Otherwise, in the basic we have to give a more time. If your basic concepts of the real analysis are not clear, then we have to give a more time for the first unit. Okay, the recommended book for this is Munkris they are. It is somewhat difficult to understand, so you can go with the KP Gupta book topology. You can get this book anywhere in your library or in our library also. You can get it from main library or in our departmental library, or you can search it on the Google so that you can get a soft copy of this one. I am recommending you to use a KP Gupta, and it is available there in our library. Mutri is also good, but it is somewhat a difficult language is used, so that's why I recommend you to use a Gupta. Okay. So this one next is a complex analysis and the recommended book for complex, and this is what SCT, and this is what the practical session of the latex beamer in which we are going to see what is a beamer. Okay. Now let us see the syllabus of our general topology. So what is there in the first unit? Definition of definition and examples of topological space: closed set, closure, dense set, neighborhood, interior, exterior, boundary, accumulation points, derived set, basis, subbasis, related topology. Okay. So these are the points which we are going to cover in our first unit, right? Okay, and after first unit, we'll come back to unit 3, in which we are going to study separation exam T0, T1, T2, T3, T3 half, T4, and their properties. And after that, we will come to unit 2 and unit 4. Okay. So in the basic one, we have the definition of topological space: closed set, closure, dense set, neighborhood, interior, exterior, boundary point, and these are the things which you already know. But these terms we are going to study in the topological spaces. Okay. So before going to study all these things in our topological space, can you tell me what is the definition of a closed set? Anyone from you?
The set in which all its elements are interior points except its boundary.
All are interior points. It is called a closed set. I am asking the definition of a closed set.
A set is said with a closed shape if each of its limit points is a member of the set.
If each of its limit point is a member of a set. So that's why before that we should know what is a limit point. Right? To know the definition of a closed set, we should know what is a limit point. Yes, can anyone tell me what is the definition of a limit point? हॅलो, आहेत का सगळे?
Yes, ma'am.
काय डेफिनेशन लिमिट पॉइंटची?
If L is a limit point of a set, yes is a subset of R. If there exists in if every neighborhood of L contains infinite number of point of S.
Every neighborhood of L it contains infinitely many points of S. Na?
Yes,
Then L is called a limit point.
limit point.
Okay. So now before that, then I should know what is the definition of a neighborhood. Okay. Huh. If I know a neighborhood, then only I can define the limit point. No? सांगा neighborhoodची definition. So if we are knowing these concepts of real analysis, then only we can go for the general topology. Actually, why it is called a general topology? Because actually the concept of a topology is very vast. The name of a paper is a general topology. So, uh, firstly, topology means what? Topo means surface, logic means study. Okay. What is topology? The name of a paper is divided into two parts. Topology. Topo is the name. The meaning of this is surface, and logy means the logic. Actually, it is called a topology. We can say it is study. So we can say it is the study of a surfaces. But in whole paper, you are not going to see where is a surface and where I am going to study the surfaces. Okay. Why? Because this is the general topology, which means we are going to start our the topology. Okay, हम सिर्फ introduction देख रहे हैं ये पूरा पेपर में topology क्या है. Okay, later on if you go to research and anything else, then you can come to know the study of a surfaces. Okay, the use of a topology is very vast and it is a very important subject of the research in our mathematics nowadays. Okay, it comes in every area. You can search for the topology. Simply if you search for topology, branches of topology, there are so many branches of a topology. So actually this is what the general topology, in which we are going to see some of the basic points related to topology. Okay. So, firstly, we have the meaning of topology means surface study. But as I told you, in the whole paper, we are not going to study any surfaces and all. Since it is what the basic concepts of the topology we are going to study. Okay, so you can search as topology in mathematics. You can come to many of the branches of topology in the mathematics. Okay. Yes. Now, can anyone tell me what is the definition of a neighborhood?
any point y belongs to that neighborhood, then distance of x comma y less than r. R is the radius of that neighborhood.
नेबरहूडच्या डेफिनेशन मध्ये नेबरहूड हे शब्द वापरलं तर ते डेफिनेशन नाही होणार ना. कॅन यू प्लीज इलॅबोरेट द डेफिनेशन?
Open interval around that point.
If no, but you have to explain the definition. No, simply having an open interval may be anything else. So how are you going to define it with the help of open interval? Okay, so these are what the branches of a topology: combinatorial, algebraic, and differential topology. Okay, so in the differential equations or differential geometry में भी topology का use होता है. This differential geometry is a paper in your semester third. Then you will come to know in the semester third in the differential geometry paper we are going to study the surfaces, and that is what the differential topology. डिफरेंशियल टोपोलॉजी में आपका टोपोलॉजी का यूज करके हम सरफेस का स्टडी करेंगे. ओके, right? So here these are what some of the branches of the topology. There are so many other branches also. So if someone asks you what do you mean by topology, it is nothing but the study of a surfaces. And some may ask you that which type of a surfaces you have studied in your semester 2 paper general topology. So you can say that this is what the basic concepts or the introduction of a topology is there in the general topology, and you can go for the differential topology in which you can study the surfaces. In the algebraic topology we are going to use the algebra, and then we are going to use a topology concept combinedly. And combinatorial, you are knowing what is combinations and permutation. In that also we are going to use a topology. So these are what some of the branches of a topology. Okay. So in the algebra also we are going to study the what is a topology in the differential geometry in differential equations. So combinedly all we are going to study the surfaces. Okay, now in this paper or in this semester simply we are going to go for the introduction of this paper, and later on if you go to the research then you can come to know what is a study of the surfaces. Okay. So let me go with the definition of a neighborhood. Yes, if you anyone want to say the definition of a neighborhood, you can say. Otherwise, I will.
We move from that point away.
Yes, yes. नेबरहूड कुणाचा काढतो आपण हे तर सांगा.
त्या फंक्शनला किंवा त्या सेटला लिव्ह न करता त्या पॉइंट पासून अवे जाऊन जो नेबर पॉइंट्स येतात ना त्याला नेबरहूड.
Okay. Let me give you one set real and real line. Okay. I will give you a whole real line. Let let S be the any subset of R, right? And let X be the any point, and you have to find out the neighborhood for this point. Yes. Now you can find. Tell me according to your definition how you are going to define what is the neighborhood of that point X. whether you come to know the definition of neighborhood in your metric space. झालाय ना metric space? So if x is any point in R, V is a subset of x, right? So this x is called a neighborhood if x belongs to your S and x is a belongs to some open set, say O, and this O, if it is contained in S, then if it satisfies this condition, then we say that this O or S. कुणाला सांगणार आहे नेबरहूड आता? आता तर आठवलं का नेबरहूडची डेफिनेशन? X is a point which belongs to some open set or open interval which is contained in S. How to define a neighborhood?
A minus x and a plus x to m.
A minus x, A plus x. After this, you haven't told A minus bracket, interval, anything. Simply A minus x and A plus x, which means can I write it as an open interval?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is this? Whether it is open interval O which we have selected or it is S?
O, ma'am.
Okay. So this is what X belongs to this open interval, and this is if it is contained completely in S, then we call S is a neighborhood of a point X, right? अशीच है ना definition? What is the definition of a neighborhood? It is so much difficult. So, S is called the neighborhood of a point X if there exists an open interval in such a way that which contains that point and which is contained in your S. Okay. So now this is what the definition of a neighborhood. Now let us come back. Okay. So we have firstly come to the neighborhood. Now we understand the neighborhood. After that we have to come to the definition of limit point. Then we'll go for the closed set. Okay. So before that, let me show you on the real line. Okay, if the concepts are clear on the real line, then we'll go for the topology. Suppose this is what your X, then when you are going to say S is a neighborhood, okay, how you are going to select X as a neighborhood? You have to select a very small interval, let A be the any point, which in such a way that this is A minus X and this is A plus X. This is an open interval which is contained in S. So this is what an open interval O. and this is what your S. So S is called a neighborhood of a point X if there exists an open interval which contain a point X, and this open interval should be contained in your S. Then only we call S is a neighborhood of a point X. Right? Now, can anyone draw or can anyone tell me what is a neighborhood of a point -1 in okay, on real line itself, you have to find out the neighborhood of a -1. Yes. If you understood the definition, you can say. Otherwise, we'll repeat the definition once again. Is it so difficult to find out the neighborhood of -1 on the real line? Okay. If it is so much difficult on the real line, you can find out on the set of integer. सांगा लवकर. We are at the MSc first year complete, first semester completed, na? After 1 year, you are the master in mathematics. And if someone asks you to find out the neighborhood of -1, how you are going to find out this?
मॅम -1च्या नेबरहूडमध्ये इन्फायनाईट पॉइंट्स येऊ शकतात ना?
येस, येऊ शकतात. ऍक्च्युली ओपन इंटरवल मध्येच इन्फायनाइटली मेनी पॉइंट्स असतात ना. ते ओपन इंटरवल आपल्या सेटमध्ये असते, ज्या सेटला आपण नेबरहूड म्हणतो, कुणाच्या -1च्या, राईट.
-3 to 1.
-3, because here is -2, 1. Okay, you have to tell it is open interval. So this is what set S she told us to have as a neighbor. Okay, now as she don't allow us to take either it is open interval or closed interval, we can take anything. So I will select -3 to 1 as a open interval, right? So what we have, initially we have a -1 which should be contained in one open interval and which is contained in your set. As it is -3 to 1, I will select it as an open interval, right? Now can you select any open interval which is contained in it and which contains your -1? आहे का कुठला ऐसा ओपन इंटरवल जे -1 ला इन्क्लूड करून ते -3 to 1 या इंटरवल मध्ये आहे? ओके, नाउ जस्ट
-2 0.
okay, -2 to 0. Okay, we can select -2 to 0. You have to tell it is an open interval -2 to 0 which contains a -1 and which is contained in your set. So now we can say this is what a neighborhood of a -1. So in this way we can find out the many of the neighborhood which is there in I. Okay, is it correct? Okay, as you have considered the set of integer, can you do it for the real line?
Yes, ma'am. Same.
हां, सांगा कसं करणार आहे? सेम घेणार का ओपन इंटरवल? Tell me fastly because we have to again go back to the definition of what the next is limit point and the closed set, and after that we have to study open set and then interior points, exterior point, boundary point, then set, closure of the set, everything we have to do in the basic ideas of our topology, and after that we can come to the paper. Okay, let us assume that this is also true. As integer is a subset of R, this will be true. Okay. Now, let us go for the definition of a limit point. Okay, what is the definition of a limit point? This now we have seen L is called the limit point. कोणी सांगितलं होतं definition limit point ची? I'm not asking the limit point of a sequence. I will ask the limit point of a set. The name for the limit points is different. It maybe we call it as cluster point or accumulation point. Okay. So some of the different name for the limit points, we can say it is a cluster point, and we can say it is accumulation point.
Condensation point.
So there are some of the different names for the limit point, and in general we are mostly using the limit point. Okay. So can anyone define what is a limit point of a set? Because for the sequence you have already done.
A real number if A is said to be the limit point of set S, if every neighborhood of A contains an infinite number of members of that set.
So a limit point of a set S, let me write down the limit point of a set S is a point X such that what such that is a point X such that try that. If you want to write down in the terms, limit point of a set S is a point X such that it satisfies this condition. Which condition it should satisfy?
If it's a neighborhood of X contains an infinite number of members of that set S.
Neighborhood of X. Suppose that we have a neighborhood of X as some another set, say S1. So we can call it as a neighborhood, or in another way we will denote it by n, the neighborhood of X, which contains infinitely many points of S. Okay, then we called it as a limit point. Okay. Now, I hope you come across one or more definition of this limit point, that it contains at least one point other than X. Okay. In another way, we can say it contains at least one point other than X, or in another way, we can say it contains infinitely many points of a set S. Then X is called a limit point. Are you agree with my conditions? ऐकलेत का कधी अशी definitions?
Yes, ma'am.
Now my question is, if these two are the definitions of limit point, okay, so whether you can equalize this definition, because in one we can say that at least one point other than X should be there. Okay, and another way we can say that there should be infinitely many points of S, then we can say it is a limit point. Okay, just I am having a discussion with you, I am not agreeing with any statement. Okay, so after discussing all the things which we have done in today's lecture, you have to go back and you have to search each and every definition, because to be a master of mathematics, you should be knowing these definitions of limit point, closure of the point, closed set, end set, exterior of the set, interior of the set, open set, interior points, limit points. Okay, so there are the two definitions. Okay, so the homework is what you have to equalize the definition. You have to start with the definition 1 and you have to come back to 2, and you have to start with the definition 2 and come to 1. Okay, the proof of this is already available in our book Savita Arora. Those who have seen this, okay, Savita Arora का book अगर आपने कभी लिया है आपके लाइब्रेरी से, उसमें आप I think you have taken it for the Riemann integration. But if you go for the basic points of the starting chapters of the uh, Savita Arora book. Okay, कुठली बुक आहे? रिअल अनालिसिसची बुक आहे ना. ऑथरचं नाव आहे सविता अरोरा. ओके. दूसरा एक बुक है R.R. Goldberg. In that also the detailed descriptions are given. So the homework is what you have to check the definition and you have to prove the definition one by one. Okay. And after that we have to see the definitions of the closed set, open set. Okay. Open set. Okay. Let us discuss now what is an open set. And for these concepts, if you want to really study, no doubt I am going to teach you, but I am going to teach you in the general topology, not in the real analysis, because already it is done in the real analysis and the syllabus of general topology is very vast. It is completely impossible to cover in only 2 months, but still I will try to cover the syllabus. So we can't waste more time in covering the basic points. So if your basic points are clear, then only we can go for the next. Otherwise, you are not going to understand what is a topology. Already topologyचा भीती आहे की topology पेपर निघत नाही, असं झालंय, ह्या बॅचला एवढे फेल झाले होते असं. So don't be afraid. Only the syllabus is vast, but it is easy if your basic points are clear. So you have to go for the definition of open set. What is interior point? Yes. Can anyone define what is an open set? Yes, we should have a discussion today. Later on, after covering of basic points, we'll go for the next. मी स्वतःहून कुठलीच डेफिनेशन नाही सांगितली, तुम्हीच सांगितले सगळे डेफिनेशन. आता परत एकदा जाऊन चेक करा तुमचे बुक असेल त्या बुकमध्ये किंवा ओके. I will tell one more easy things you have to clear this all the doubts from the Khan Academy app. खान अकेडमी का अगर ऐप आपने डाउनलोड किया है, हाँ, किती जणांनी डाउनलोड केला आहे, किती जणांनी व्हिडिओ बघितले खान अकॅडमीचे? Yes, whether I told you sometime about this Khan Academy, सांगितलं का तुम्हाला? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to clear all the doubts from the Khan Academy. Every day, at least one lecture you should see from the basic point, so that every basic point related to closure, closed set, solve the many more example of the open set, closed set. फक्त आपण definition बघितलंय, open set ची definition झाली, closed set definition संपलं. How to find out this? How you are going to evaluate on the real line? How it looks on the real line? Okay. You have to take the example from the real line and you have to find out what is open set, what is a closed set, right? You have to do these things from the Khan Academy. You have to download it. दुसरे त्यांचे व्हिडिओ बघत बसा आणि काय आपण पिक्चर किंवा कुठला तरी सिरियल बघ. So go for the Khan Academy app, download it, and or otherwise you can directly search on the Khan Academy on the YouTube and you can clear all of the basic points. मी पण क्लिअर करू शकते, but we have only 2 months to clear the syllabus of general topology. So the time is very restricted. So if you waste the time on the basic, which will not be there in your theory exam, so that's why we have to complete the whole syllabus of general topology. First, all of you, I will suggest to clear all of the basic points. Know that I am going to take all these points in the general topology, but you have to clear all the points in your real analysis so that you can understand this. Okay? Getting me? Okay, open set, touched, neighborhood, open set and interior point, and after that you have to see what is exterior points, what are the boundary points. So clear all the definitions, all the uh, geometric meanings of these definition, and then come back to our lectures. And in the tomorrow lecture, I will start with the definition of a topology because time is very less. I have to start the paper. Okay. If it allows, I will take one more discussion session tomorrow. But no doubt from the next lectures, I will start the paper itself. Okay. मैं आपको डरा नहीं रही हूँ, but that paper is vast, but it is easy. ओके, पेपर का सिलेबस बहुत ज़्यादा रहने की वजह से लोगों का पेपर बैकलॉग रह जाता है, बट इट इज़ इजी वन. नो डाउट द सिलेबस इज फास्ट, बट इट इज़ इजी and you should clear all the basic points, then this paper is very good. Okay, so let us close the discussion today. You can leave the meeting and you have to go for searching all the basic points. Okay, thank you.